He would like to know the reaction of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam when he received the revelation from God Almighty about the nearness of his departure from this world.
About?
The condition and the feelings of the promised Messiah when God Almighty revealed to him about his death.
I can't understand the question. Can you?
The meaning...
He may say it in English.
If I may, I mean to say, the promised Messiah was told in advance that he will die in the Lahore.
Will?
Die. When God Almighty revealed to him that your departure from this world is very close now.
That's right, yes. Yeah. So
would be, how did he react to this?
In fact, he warned his close companions and Hazrat Amma Jan radiyallahu ta'ala anha, his wife, that this seems to be my last journey, because God had told him al-rahil summa al-rahil. First you will make a journey and then another journey. Of that journey he understood it will be journey to heavenward. It will be heavenward journey. So he had informed them even before. And there was no apparent sign of any illness. So the illness struck him only a day before he was scheduled to depart for Qadian. And it developed very rapidly that night. He died in the same disease. That was a diarrhea. But the enemies of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam tried to mislead others by declaring that he was suffering from cholera, which was a very serious disease, and Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam had foretold that he would not die of cholera. So because similarly the symptoms were like cholera, while the period was such that no cholera ever erupted during those periods. In May, one of the driest seasons. But anyway, when the case was fully examined by, what was the name of that man?
Dr. Mir Muhammad Ismail sir?
No. He was an English doctor to whom the case was referred. Because in those days, if anybody died of cholera, he would not be permitted to travel by train. So because they had intended to travel by train, so there was likelihood or a danger of spreading the cholera germs during their journey, endangering the lives of those who travel by that train. So that was the precaution which was fully taken by the government, and I don't remember the name of that British doctor, surgeon. He was a civil surgeon at that time of Lahore. So he gave a certificate that most certainly he did not die of cholera. So that is why Allah protected him from the false allegations, and he went by train to Batala, from where he was carried on shoulders to Qadian. His coffin was carried on shoulders.